Laba bantu baseZimbabwe abangaphezulu kwama200 basuke engxenyeni zaseKapa okukhona kuzo iNyanga, iDanun, iPhilippi, Bredasdorp, Hermanus, Delft, Emfuleni, eKhayelitsha naseJoe bathi bazizwa bengaphephile njengoba ususemome umnqamlajuqu. Umnyango wezasekhaya uqinisekisa amaphepha abo ngaphakathi kanti inxusa laseZimbabwe libahlelela amabhasi okubagodukisa emakhaya.
Whatever form of threat and fear that we inflict on people, it is just unjustified. And so there has been threat.
Abanye bathi abaqashi babo bathi angeke bekwazi ukubavikela ingakho beze lapha ukuzocela usizo lokubuyela ekhaya.
So it was not a human condition. At least the church is better. The church upstairs is not enough space for the people, obviously, and it is just a floor, but the conditions are better.
Laba bantu okukhona kubona izingane baqale baqhinqe ipaki engasendlini yenxusa laseZimbabwe izolo.
Most of us, we don't have money to take the buses on our own. That's why we're trying to seek help from them so that we can go back home safely.
Abanye bathi yendele sokeni.
Yeah, we want to go home and we don't have jobs, don't have money. So that, you see, the problem is these people for March to March. That is the thing why we are here.
Kodwa munye umlayezo kubantu baseningizimu Afrika.
For South Africa, I just want to say bye-bye. That's all I can say.
Amaphoyisa ahlola amazenga abo uqinisekisa ukuthi akunamacala abafunelwa wona kanti balindeleke ukuba bagoduke kusihlwa nje ukuya eZimbabwe.